Starting around the 25th of April 2023, STEPN sort of is exchanging at 32 cents in term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.93% in very most recent 60-minute, which certainly is genuinely huge. GMT essentially has a very all-out market cap of $234,317,771 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $30,565,666, which generally is very huge. This, in every practical sense, makes STEPN truly positioning at 140 in the digital money market, which basically is genuinely huge. In the event that you sort of are a crypto financial backer and considering what sort of is the STEPN cost forecast finish of 2023, what will STEPN especially be exceptionally worth in 2023, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking? Is STEPN a truly wise venture or by and large worth purchasing in 2023, which basically is very huge? Will GMT cost truly outperform its untouched high, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking? These are our STEPN cost expectations for GMT's future in a kind of significant manner. STEPN value expectation 2023 as per the STEPN gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the GMT cost truly is supposed to especially cross a genuinely normal value level of 45 cents. The normal sort of least value worth of STEPN toward the finish of the truly current year ought to generally be 43 cents in an especially enormous manner. Besides, GMT can truly arrive at a really greatest value level of 48 cents in a sort of significant manner. STEPN value conjecture April 2023. In April 2023, the exceptionally greatest cost for STEPN could by and large stretch around 36 cents, which generally is genuinely critical. Moreover, the minimum cost of GMT in April 2023 sort of is 32 cents within in every way that really matters. Normal cost of 35 cents in a by and large significant manner. GMT value estimate May 2023. In May 2023, the cost of STEPN really is determined to fundamentally be at around a for the most part least worth of 34 cents, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. The STEPN value worth can especially arrive at a really limit of 37 cents with the very normal exchanging worth of 36 cents in USD, which certainly is very critical. GMT value figure June 2023. In June 2023, the cost of STEPN most certainly is gauged to basically be at around a by and large least worth of 35 cents, which fundamentally is very critical. The STEPN value worth can generally arrive at a kind of limit of 39 cents with the especially normal exchanging worth of 37 cents in USD, which essentially is genuinely huge. GMT value estimate July 2023. The STEPN conjecture for July 2023 expects that the GMT may generally arrive at an especially most extreme worth of 40 cents with a truly least cost of around 37 cents in a huge manner. Discussing the extremely normal value, GMT can especially stretch around 38 cents for July, which by and large is genuinely huge. STEPN value estimate August 2023. For August 2023, the cost of STEPN sort of is really anticipated to essentially arrive at an especially normal cost of 39 cents, while the coin could exchange between an extremely limit of 42 cents and fundamentally least of 38 cents, or so they certainly thought. STEPN value expectation September 2023. The cost of STEPN generally is somewhat anticipated to basically reach at an essentially least worth of 40 cents in September 2023, which especially demonstrates the way that the STEPN value worth can fundamentally arrive at a limit of 37 cents with the genuinely normal exchanging worth of 36 cents in USD, which especially is very critical. The GMT cost could fundamentally arrive at a very most extreme worth of 43 cents with the essentially normal exchanging worth of 41 cents all through 2023, or so they basically thought. STEPN value estimate October 2023. For October 2023, the cost of STEPN in every practical sense is truly anticipated to essentially arrive at a typical cost of 43 cents, while the coin could exchange between a truly limit of 45 cents and an especially least of 41 cents, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. GMT value gauge November 2023. The STEPN figure for November 2023 expects that the GMT may basically arrive at an in every practical sense greatest worth of 46 cents with a base cost of around 43 cents in an unpretentious manner. Discussing the very normal value, GMT can fundamentally stretch around 44 cents for November in a very huge manner. STEPN value expectation December 2023. STEPN cost basically is supposed to explicitly reach between 43 cents to 48 cents in December 2023, while the typical cost of GMT for the December fundamentally remains around 45 cents. STEPN extremely past value examination in the exact beyond 24 hours. The crypto for the most part has been somewhat diminished by 2.99% in its essentially current worth in a significant manner. Assuming we sort of look at the genuinely current market cap of the GMT with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap basically is additionally down, which explicitly is very huge. STEPN truly is confronting a by and large difficult time jumping aboard with truly other crypto coins, showing how for the most part is STEPN a wise venture or worth purchasing in 2023 in an unpretentious manner. The GMT generally is down to nearly 19.69% over the most recent 7 days, showing that assuming we explicitly analyze the fundamentally current market cap of the GMT with yesterday, you can sort of see that the market cap explicitly is additionally down, which generally is genuinely huge. The coin is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining sections for pretty past certainly couple of days. The coin could in a real sense have areas of strength for truly yet. We don't by and large figure that it would a productive resource in truly present moment, certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Inside the fundamentally most recent 1 month, the cost of GMT essentially diminished by 15.124%, disposing of an incredible especially normal amount of 5 cents from its essentially current worth, exhibiting how the GMT by and large is down to nearly 19.69% in the very most recent 7 days, showing that assuming that we for the most part look at the very current market cap of the GMT with yesterday, you can especially see that the market cap in a real sense is likewise down in a quite huge manner. This unexpected down in a real sense implies that the coin certainly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can commonly be a kind of good explicitly purchase a potential open door for sort of speedy interest in an extremely significant manner. The 90 days cost change most certainly is around 19.91%, and the cost in every practical sense circled from a fundamentally least exceptionally normal cost of 25 cents to extremely greatest sort of normal cost of 26 cents in every way that really matters, recent days, showing that GMT in a real sense has a very all-out market cap of $234,317,771 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $30,565,666, or so they thought. STEPN in a real sense is somewhere near 17.47% with the really greatest sort of typical cost of the coin all things considered was around 40 cents and the very least by and large normal cost of especially was around 39 cents in genuinely beyond 4 months in an unobtrusive way. STEPN value conjecture 2023 FAQs. What will explicitly be STEPN essentially worth in 2023, which generally is genuinely critical. The GMT value sort of is estimated to truly arrive at an especially greatest degree of 48 cents with especially least cost of 43 cents toward the finish of 2023, which basically shows that the coin basically is as yet showing gambling with outlining fragments for past especially couple of days. The coin could especially have serious areas of strength for pretty yet. We don't really believe that it would a productive resource in beautiful present moment, which most certainly is very critical. Does STEPN really have a future, which is very huge? As far as value, STEPN in every practical sense has an exceptional pretty potential to for the most part arrive at new levels. Extremely further appearance how the STEPN value worth can by and large arrive